Good evening, everyone. Let's look at how to write your content with any IDE on LifetechOCMS. And let's go to our dashboard. From our dashboard to editor, from editor to our module writer. Then to your module name that you want to write content on. So I want to write code for book registration.html. Let me just go to Go Coding. So this is the HTML code. Let me run it. You can see it's displaying welcome. So if I want to edit this to any IDE, that's Sublime or VS Code or any other IDE, so it's out for us. Go to your project file, which is class. From there to live modules, you see live modules, click on live modules. So you now locate the module name you are writing, which is MD ebook. So now we have the view model controller here. If your content is view, then you open to view folder. But if your content is controller or is model, then you have model folder and controller folder. But since this book registration is view type, so I'm going to open views. Then you can see this is the file here, which is book registration file. Then I can open it with any IDE I want. Let me choose Sublime. So let me open it once. So you can see it here. This is the document here. Let me assume that I want to put some information here. I want to add some HTML here. Then I will do what? I will save the file. So once I save the file, let me go and run it. So presently we are still implementing the live server, the SSE. We have not finished it. So you need to come back to the code editor here to refresh it. Then it will load all the content. You will now receive it. Because LifeTech is using data defacing model. So once you save it like that, you need to come and run the defacing model to this button, update content, before you do what? Refresh the page. So you can see now that all this were written from the code editor Sublime. So that is how you can do it. You can go to your project, your view, open it to the Sublime. After you save it, then come back to your code editor here, refresh it. Since you have not finally implemented the SSE, the live server, then refresh it. After you refresh it, you can update it. Then your interface is ready to go. So that is how you can write your content to any IDE. Thank you so much.